What if a company's biggest cost is not labor, but an outdated way of managing? Many traditional companies lack neither products nor customers. What they lack is a management system that keeps up with change. Today, let's talk about how AI management technology will change traditional companies. Management used to rely on hierarchy and experience. Information reported up layer by layer. Decisions passed down layer by layer. Slow and easily distorted. Transforming on your own means researching theory, designing processes, and building systems, a huge investment over a long cycle. Innovating with partners risks splitting up midway over conflicting interests. This is the real reason so many companies get stuck in transformation. AI management technology brings a new understanding. It is not just an operations tool, but a management method, a business model, even an organizational structure and culture. The relationship between company and employee can move from simple employment toward value contribution, exchange, creation, and profit sharing. Repetitive management and execution are handed to mechanism-driven AI, while people focus on judgment and creation. More importantly, companies do not have to invent their own AI management model from scratch. They can share a ready-made management technology platform. That means skipping the heavy investment in theoretical research and system development, avoiding the risks of broken partnerships and repeated trial and error, cutting out middle layers through dynamic chain building to release hidden profit, redistributed by mechanism, and completing transformation faster through cross-industry innovation chains. Of course, these are the model's design goals. Actual results depend on the industry and the execution. This ecosystem has 8 kinds of roles. Consumer C, Knowledge Intermediary Service S, and Manufacturer M are the nodes of dynamic chain building. Management Method IP and Management Technology Tool IP come from the academic and technology layers, plus 3 basic services: cloud computing, logistics, and payment settlement. With AI vibe coding, researchers too can turn theory into software as one-person companies, join collaborative development, and keep creating value. Following this logic, every industry niche can replicate its own dedicated platform supply chain alliance. Manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers transforming together into collaborative trade, replacing involution with cooperation, and sharing supply, customers, and professional services across platforms. The impact of AI management technology on traditional companies is not about replacing anyone. It is about reorganizing how everyone creates and shares value. To learn more, watch the C2S2M series or apply to join the pilot.